So this is a question in front of us. They have given us the circuit diagram in question number 4, and we can see one variable, one resistance which is missing. The value is X. R equivalent is given 4 ohms, मतलब पूरे resistance का equivalent resistance है 4 ohms. We have been asked to find X. So first of all, how will we proceed? We will first name them, that this is R1 and this is R2, and then this resistance is R3 and this resistance is R4. Right, so maybe we can write here, this is R3 and this is R4. So first of all, what we can see R1 and R2, they are in series, and let their equivalent resistance is R12. So R12 will be what? R1 plus R2, that is 4 plus 8, and we will get 12 ohms. Similarly, we can see R3 and R4 are in series, and when R3 and R4 are in series, let their equivalent resistance is R3, 4. So that will be R3 plus R4. Substitute the value, one is X, one is 5. So nothing but 5 plus X ohms. Now, जो डायग्राम है हमारा, इस डायग्राम का एक इक्विवेलेंट हम डायग्राम बनाएं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? दिस इज ए, let us put just one resistor ऊपर and let us put just one resistor नीचे, and then this point is B, like this. तो ऊपर जो रेजिस्टेंस हमने पुट किया उसका नाम क्या है? उसका नाम है R12, और नीचे जो रेजिस्टेंस हमने पुट किया उसका नाम क्या है? उसका नाम है R34. So now we can clearly say that from this figure, R12 and R34, they are in parallel. So let their equivalent is Req, which is equals to 1 by R12 and plus 1 by R34, क्योंकि पैरेलल में है. और we can see R equivalent का वैल्यू हमें 4 ohms उन्होंने पहले ही दिया है. Let us supply this value. So this becomes what? 1 by 4 is equals to R12 value. Just now we got it was 12, and R34 value, it is 5 plus X. Now if we solve, this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12 is equals to 1 by 5 plus X. Take LCM. So this becomes 3 minus 1. This is 1 by 5 plus X. So this is 2 by 12, which cancels out to give us 1 by 6 and 1 by 5 plus X. If we reciprocal it, we will get X is equal to, 6 is equals to 5 plus X. This implies X is equals to 1 ohm. This is what we wanted to find, X ka value, because the question was to find X. So X for this case is 1 ohm. This is the problem. So there we go with question number 5. In question number 5, we can see a complex type of circuit is given to us. So let us start first naming them. This is, let us say R1, this is R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, this is R8, and finally we have R9. So we have in total 9 resistance values in between the two points A and B. So first of all, what we can see here, that ये R2 जहाँ पे खत्म हुआ वहीं पे R3 चालू हुआ, और जहाँ पे R3 खत्म हुआ वहीं पे R4 चालू हुआ. In the similar fashion, R6 के लिए देखो, जैसे R6 खत्म हुआ वैसे ही R7 चालू हुआ, जैसे ही R7 खत्म हुआ वैसे ही R8 चालू हुआ. इसका मतलब है, the first and foremost thing which we can proceed is, we can simply say very importantly that firstly R2, R3 and R4, they are in series connection. और अगर ये आपस में सीरीज में है तो इनका इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा? लेट अस से हम R2, 3, 4 से डिनोट करते हैं, जिसका वैल्यू होगा R2 प्लस R3 प्लस R4. ऐड करें 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1, so we got 3 ohms. This is the value of R234. This value is nothing but 3 ohms. In the very similar fashion, next हम नीचे वाले के लिए क्या लिख सकते हैं? That just now we saw R6, R7 and R8. They are also in series. And when they are in series, let their equivalent is 6, 7, 8. R6, 7, 8 is nothing but R6 plus R7 plus R8. We're going to add the individual values, 2 ohms each. What we got is 6 ohms. That is our 6, 7, 8 value is 6 ohms. Now, after having done this much, जो हमारा सीरीज अवेलेबल है, जो सर्किट अवेलेबल है, उस सर्किट से हम एक और अगर सर्किट बनाएं, तो दिस इज आवर पॉइंट ए. So we can see this is our point A. Then we have one resistor. और यहाँ पे हमने एक वैल्यू दे देंगे. सेंटर में we have one value. और नीचे का भी इक्विवेलेंट हमने निकाल लिया है. See, like this is the present circuit we have. जहाँ पे ऊपर वाले को हम बोल सकते हैं 2, 3, 4. बीच वाले का नाम था R5 और नीचे वाले का नाम है 6, 7, 8. सामने वाले का नाम R1 था, बाद वाले का नाम R9 था. Let it be like this. So we got a new circuit. In new circuit, we can see we are making use of the previous calculations. So now what can we write in the new circuit? This R2, 3, 4, R5 and R6, 7, 8. They are in what? They are in parallel. मतलब हम कौन से रीजन की बात कर रहे हैं? हम इस तीन की बात कर रहे हैं. They are in parallel. So इन तीन पैरेलल का इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस अगर हम मानते हैं, इसका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस है RP. Let us say RP denotes the equivalent resistance between parallel. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 1 by R2, 3, 4 plus 1 by R5 plus 1 by R6, 7, 8. Substitute the values. R1, 2, 3, 4 वैल्यू का आंसर है 3 ohms. R5 directly it is available 2 ohms, and R6, 7, 8 it is 6 ohms. Now if we take the LCM, we got 6 here. This is 2 plus 3 plus 1. We got 6 by 6, that is 1. So therefore our parallel, the entire parallel part का answer है 1 ohm. That is which area? This complete area. This is 1 ohm. Which clearly implies now we can erase this entire thing as it. We can erase this entire thing, and instead of this entire thing, we can just put one value of resistance, which is RP, whose value we got 1 ohm. So obvious. So now what we can see in this final circuit, R1, RP, and R9, they are in series. So if they are in series, we can simply write what is the R equivalent between A and B. So R equivalent will be R1 plus RP plus R9. R1 value 1 ohm, RP value we got 1 ohm, and R9 already given 1 ohm. If we add 3 ohm. So this happens to be our final answer. This is our final answer. This is equals to 3 ohms.